This 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. Laredo leather interior, navigation system, power sliding sunroof, rear view camera, heated front seats, 3.6 LV6 engine, 5-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, keyless entry, fog lamps, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power automatic windows, power door locks, gray metallic exterior, black leather interior, owner's manual, floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery, Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4WD is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery, Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery, Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to visit us at autogallerychicago.com.